Hello and welcome to a short video by AllSave Energy to demonstrate how easy it is to get your usage history from PG&E's website, which will include 60-minute interval data for residents and 15-minute interval data for commercial, which we will utilize to do time of use calculations for the financial projections. So if you do not already have a PG&E account, I highly recommend getting one set up. It should only take a couple of minutes, but it's going to make things a lot easier as a future solar customer, and they have a lot of nice tools for solar customers too. So we'll go to pge.com, type in the login credentials, and click sign in. Regardless if you're doing this under the residential tab or the business tab, the dashboard that's loading up right now should look very familiar, and everything else will be a very similar process. So in the center of the screen here, you'll see solar and energy details, review your summary and usage. Please click that. The next screen that loads up, we're going to scroll down, and in the lower right hand corner, we're going to see this little green logo that says green button, download my data. When we click that, that'll expand the lower portion of the screen. Well, we need to make some adjustments here before we click export. We do need to export usage for a range of days, and we want to include the most recent 12-month period that excludes the current billing cycle. So in other words, we're in mid-July, so we're going to go back a month to June, and then just for simplicity, we'll start with the first. So we'll go here. So June 1st, 2017, June 1st, 2018. Then we need to select the format type as XML. And that's it. We'll click export. It'll bring up the standard file download dialog box where you will store the zip file locally. Click save, and then open up your email server and attach that zip file to an email. Send that email to Tony@allsaveenergy.com. That's Tony@ALLSAVEENERGY.com. Within 24 hours, we will get back to you with a solar proposal. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to hearing from you.